In this video, I will teach you how to make money online. Making money online can be done in many ways, depending on your skill, interest, and the time you are willing to invest. Here are some popular options. And here is a detailed breakdown of each way to make money online, including a step to get started and practical tip. First is freelancing. Freelancing involves offering your skill or services to client. It is great for people who excel in a particular area, such as writing, graphic designing, programming, or marketing. Freelancing involves following a step. First is identify your skill. Example content writing, video editing, coding, etc. Second is create a portfolio showcasing your work. Example, a personal website or use platform like Behance. Third is sign up on freelancing platform like Upwork, good for long-term project. Fiverr, ideal for offering a smaller task-based service. Freelancer, general platform for many skills. Fourth is build a strong profile and apply for job. Fifth is deliver quickly, work to get positive review and repeat client. Tip for success in freelancing. Be competitive but do not undervalue your work. Start with similar job to build credibility. Learn how to write winning proposal. Second way to make money is selling product. You can sell physical or digital product online through marketplaces or your own website. Physical product, Etsy, best for handmade, custom or vintage item. Amazon या eBay, great for selling mass market good or reselling. Drop shipping, set up a store on Shopify or WooCommerce. Partner with supplier, example Overleo or AliExpress. Market product online, supplier handle fulfillment. Digital product, create and sell digital item like ebooks, template or printable using platform like Gumroad, Payship or Etsy. Tip for success, research training product and niche. Invest in good product photo and description. Use social media and paid ad to boost your sale. And the third way is content creation. This involves building an audience and monetizing your platform like YouTube. Earn via ad revenue, sponsorship, and merchandise. Steps: create video on a specific topic, optimize for SEO, and be consistent. And second is blogging. Write valuable content on a niche topic. Example: tech, travel, and health. Monetize by ad, Google AdSense, affiliate link, and a sponsored post. Podcasting. Share your audience content and earn through ad and a sponsorship. Tip for success. Find a niche you are passionate about. Learn SEO, search engine optimization, to grow faster. Be patient. Content creation often take time to see result. And fourth is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting product or services and earning a commission for every sale. It involves following a step. First is join affiliate program like Amazon Associate, Share a Sale, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate. Second is choose product relevant to your audience or niche. Third is share your affiliate link on blog, social media or YouTube. Fourth is track your performance and optimize your strategy. Tip for success. Provide honest review of the product. Focus on high commission program. Use tool like 360 affiliate to manage link. And fifth is online teaching and tutoring. Share your expertise and take people online. Option: create an online courses platform, Udemy, Technable, a skill share. Choose a skill या topic. Example coding, photography, and cooking. Film high quality lesson and promote your courses. Tutoring platform Webkid, Vigent, Preply offer one-on-one or group lesson on academic subject, language, or a skill. Tip for success: specialize in a high demand subject. Invest in a good microphone and camera if teaching live. Market your courses to a specific audience. Sixth is remote work. Many companies hire remote employee for various roles. Find remote job listening on remote.com. We work remotely. Flex job, LinkedIn. Apply for role that make your skill such as customer support, data entry, or software development. Tailor your resume to highlight relevant experience. Tip for success: build a skill in high demand remote field. Example digital marketing, software development. We prepare to work across different time zones. Seventh is a stock market and cryptocurrency. Investing can be a way to grow wealth over time, but it requires knowledge and caution. Learn the basic of investing through free resources or courses. Platforms like Robinhood, eTrade, Fidelity, Coinbase, Binance, or Crank. Start a smaller, diversify your portfolio, and avoid risk trade. Tip for success: only invest money can afford to lose. Follow trusted financial news sources. Avoid get rich quicker scheme. 8 is selling product digitally. This is a low maintenance way to earn passive income. Popular digital product, ebook, template, planner, or printable photography or stock videos. Design asset like icon or font. Platform like Gumroad, Sellify sell your creation directly. Etsy sell printable and digital download. Tip for success: use tools like Canva and Adobe Creative Suite to create product. Choose evergreen topic, example productivity and fitness. And next is survey and micro task. Earn a small amount by completing online tasks. Platform like Swagbuck, Inbox Dollar, paid survey and cashback offer. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Perform micro tasks like data entry. User testing. Get paid to test website and apps. Tip for success: use these for side income. They will not replace a full-time job. Choose reputable platform to avoid a scam. And next is app and gaming. Some app pay you for simple task or playing game. Example, missed play. Earn gift card for playing game. Luck tastic. Play search card for reward. Hope. Sell your smartphone. Photos. Tip for success: always read app review before downloading. Set realistic expectation. General tip for making money online. First is consistency. Stay dedicated and don't give up too early. Second is a skill development. Invest time in learning new skill relevant to your chosen method. Third is avoid a scam. Be caution of pay to pay a scheme or offer that seem too good to be true. Fourth is time management. If you are pursuing multiple options, plan your time wisely. That's it for today videos. I hope you found these tips on how to make money online helpful and easy to understand. Remember, consistency is key, and with the right strategy, you can start earning from the comfort of your own home. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss out on more valuable tip like these. Got any question or need help getting started? Drop them in the comment below and I will be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next one. Stay motivated and keep hustling.